Hello survival enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to face the unexpected? In today's video, we're diving into the coolest Doomsday survival gear and gadgets of 2025 that every prepper and adventure lover should check out. From high-tech tools to compact lifesavers, these innovations are built to keep you alive when it matters most. Whether you're facing the apocalypse or just love survival gear, this list has something for everyone. So gear up and let's explore the ultimate survival kit of the future. Without further ado, let's get started. When camping or enjoying the outdoors, having a reliable and portable campfire option is essential for warmth and ambience. Introducing the Ignik Fire Can, a compact, durable, and safe solution for campfires wherever your adventures take you. Designed with the classic, space-efficient ammo can shape, this portable fire pit fits easily into any camping setup. The collapsible legs and removable lid make it quick to set up and break down, ensuring convenience on the go. With mesh sides that enhance heat visibility and distribution, it delivers more flame and warmth than traditional options. The Fire Can is forest safe, providing a raised, eco-friendly alternative to ground-level wood fires. It's perfect for areas with fire restrictions or when you need to protect the forest floor. The Fire Can comes with a 5-foot quick-release hose and adjustable regulator, offering a hassle-free plug-and-play experience. Enjoy the cozy campfire atmosphere without the mess of wood and ashes, all while staying safe and environmentally responsible. Having the right gear to make outdoor cooking easier is essential for a successful camping trip. Meet the Zergur Camping Tripod Board, a versatile and practical accessory that enhances your outdoor cooking experience. Made from high-hardness stainless steel, this campfire support plate is highly durable and resistant to high temperatures, making it perfect for hanging pot stoves and cookware over an open fire. The simple yet strong design allows you to easily turn branches into a functional tripod, with an adjustable chain to control the grill height for more convenient cooking. The lightweight, detachable design ensures that the tripod board is easy to carry and store in a camping backpack, eliminating the need to bring bulky tripods along. Whether you're cooking over an open fire, grilling, or preparing meals for a picnic, this accessory adds practicality and fun to your outdoor activities. It's a must-have for any camping enthusiast, and a great gift for those who love outdoor cooking. Staying safe and connected while exploring the outdoors is a priority. Introducing Fogo, the ultimate multifunctional adventure gadget that combines 1000 lumen flashlight, GPS, walkie-talkie, and backup battery into one. With a waterproof and durable design, Fogo ensures you're prepared for any outdoor task, whether it's setting up camp at night or navigating through harsh conditions. Its built-in GPS and radio help you stay connected with friends, track your route, and find your way back with ease. Fogo's text messaging feature and motion sensor make communication and visibility simple. It also acts as a backup battery for charging USB devices while you rest. Whether you're hiking, camping, or biking, Fogo keeps you on course with its waypoint guidance, breadcrumb tracking, and smart light adjustments. From mountain biking at night to tracking your heart rate via Bluetooth, Fogo is designed for adventure enthusiasts, offering safety, convenience, and peace of mind on every journey. In unexpected emergencies, having a safe and effective wound closure option is invaluable. Introducing the Survivex Zip Stitch Wound Closure Strips, a non-invasive, painless solution for treating small cuts and lacerations, making it ideal for use at home, at work, or during outdoor adventures like hiking or camping. These wound closures feature a unique zip stitch design that aligns skin edges precisely, providing quick and secure closure without stitches. Their easy application, Just apply, zip, and secure ensures reliable results, while the tension release button allows for adjustable comfort. Designed with children and sensitive users in mind, the adhesive-based strips do not puncture the skin, reducing both pain and scarring compared to traditional sutures. SurviveX closures effectively minimize scarring and lower infection risks, encouraging faster healing by keeping wounds protected from environmental exposure. With strong adhesion that stays secure throughout the healing process, yet peels away cleanly, these strips provide a user-friendly, safe, and efficient wound care solution wherever you are. When securing heavy loads, you need a reliable and quick solution. Meet the Night Eyes CamJam Hook Lock Strap Hook offers exactly that, featuring an innovative push-on, twist-off design for easy attachment to D-rings or anchor points up to 1 inch in diameter. This spring-actuated hook stays secure even without tension, making it perfect for demanding tasks. Crafted with tempered steel and a corrosion-resistant nickel-plated finish, it boasts a working load limit of 1,000 pounds and a brake strength of 3,000 pounds, ensuring durability in tough environments. The hook lock's unique design allows straps to smoothly pass through its base like a pulley, making adjustments simple and efficient. Whether you're securing gear, tying down equipment, or organizing loads, the Night Eyes CamJam Hook Lock pairs perfectly with the CamJam ratchet or tie-down systems for maximum versatility and security. Designed to withstand the rigors of the outdoors, this hook ensures your load stays secure no matter the conditions.